Hi children, today let us study some simple tricks to remember trigonometric formula. Actually, trigonometry is an interesting chapter, but some children find difficult to remember the formula. Let us see which are the formula we want to study. First one is sine theta. We study it as opposite side by hypotenuse. Yes, it is written here. It is sine. Then next is cos theta. We study it as adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes, it is here. See, this is here. Then we study tan theta. It is opposite side by adjacent side by. See, tan is opposite side by adjacent side. So this is easy, but after some time we may forget it. So just to remember a simple technique of writing O. In English, we say O of exclamation. See, it is O, that is opposite by hypotenuse. It is simple. So if you are very difficult to get a sign, you just think about O. Yes. And you see cos. What is for cos? That is also an exclamatory sentence. Adjacent by hypotenuse. If you could remember these two, then tan is very simple. Just to take O by A. Yes, that is O by A. It is very simple. And also, if you know the sine, cos, tan, you should know the reciprocals of sine. What is the reciprocals of sine? It is cosec theta. Just opposite. That will be hypotenuse by opposite. It's opposite of O. Then cos the reciprocal is sec theta. Then you will get the reverse of this. That means hypotenuse by adjacent, the reciprocal of A. See? Then the opposite of tan will be cot theta. See the opposite, adjacent by opposite. This is the basic of trigonometry. And also to get the reciprocals, there is another technique. Sine, it is cosec. Sec, it is cos. And tan, it is cot, just like cyclic. Psycho, see, psycho, seco, taco. Psycho, sine and cosec are reciprocals. Seco, sec and cos are reciprocals. Taco, tan and cot are reciprocals. So this is very simple. Then let us move to other identities. Another important identity is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Also, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. This is also the same way we can remember. Sine is related with the cos, psycho. Sec is related with the cosec, seco. Then tan is related with the cot, taco. Again we got psycho, seco, taco. But remember that the first one, sine was related with reciprocal was psycho means sine and cosec. Here sine and cos in 90 angles. These are called complementary angles. So this is also can be remembered very easily with a simple technique. Now let us move to the values of trigonometry. It's very, very important, the values of trigonometry. Now let us study that table. Yes, these are the normal values of trigonometry. Normally it may take time to remember. There are certain methods to get this answer scientifically. But to remember these values, we can use one simple technique. It's a very, very simple that you can make very easily. Just make a box or a square, exact square. You can draw it roughly also. Just to make a box, then divide it into 5 parts, vertically and horizontally. Simply when we say a 5 by 5 boxes. See, I repeat, a small square, it is divided into 5 rows and columns, horizontally and vertically. Now we will get 25 small squares. You can draw it roughly also. It will not take even 1 minute to draw it. Now you see which are the standard values. Which are the values we should find? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Right, in order. Then you start to write from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to 4. Please write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from 0. Then the second step, you divide all the values by 4. It's a trick only, not a scientific way, but you can remember without any mistake and you never forget in life. See, 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by any number is 0 itself. 1 divided by 4. 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. But when you write 2 divided by 4, it is 2 by 4. Mathematically, we can cancel and we can simplify it as 1 by 2. 3 by 4, we cannot cancel. There is no common term. So 3 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. Repeat. First row, you write all the standard values which are to be learned. In second column, write from 0 and continue. Write the whole numbers continuously. Then after 5 columns, it will be end. Then third step is divide by 4. Each number should be divided by 4. Then see the fourth column, fourth row, find the square root of all. 0 square root is 0. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4, you get it exactly as 2. Here, the square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 is root 2 because we don't have exact value of root 2. Similarly, the fourth row, fourth column, the square root of 3 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 1 is 1. Now this is over. The process is over. You see that the first row you can mark it as sine. So these are the value that at the last step you got some values after the square root. See, these are the values of sine. Sine 0, see, sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. It's very simple. So all the sine values are ready. Standard sine values of trigonometric functions are very clear without any confusion. It is an ascending order. It is increasing. Whereas the cos value will be decreased. So write all the values in reverse order. 90, 60, 45, 30, 0. Then you write here as cos. Now all the cos values are also clear. Cos 0. Again the same method. See, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. From this you may be able to answer of many questions. Which value is same for both the sine and cos, which is sine 45. See, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, whereas sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That means if it is root 3 by 2, if the answer is root by 2, either you can put sine 60 or you may put cos 30. It is very, very clear from this table. So to make this table, it will not take even 2 minutes. Now, if sine and cos are there, or if sine and cos are known, then it is very easy to get other functions because we know the reciprocal of sine is cosec, psycho, very simple, psycho. That means if you want to get cosec 30, it will be the reciprocal of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, then cosec 30 will be 2 by 1. Very simple. Actually, we get it by 1 by 1 by 2, which is 2 by 1. Reciprocal 2 by 1 is 2. Similarly, if you want to get sec 60, sec is the reciprocal of cos. What is cos 60? Cos 60 from the table is cos 60 is 1 by 2, and the answer will be 2 by 1. So the answer is 2. That means cosec 60 and cosec 30 are same. Suppose you want cosec 30, no problem, it will be 1 by cos 30. Again, reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. Then to get a tan, it will be sine by cos. Example, suppose you want to get tan 60, it will be sine 60 by cos 60. Sine 60 is very clear from the table that it is root 3 by 2. Then cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then 2 are cancelled. Or you may write root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Both are correct. 2 cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. So tan 30 is, see, tan 30 is root 3. Very simple. And if you want cot 60, either you take the reciprocal of tan 60, that is 1 by root 3, or you get it from cot is cos by sine. So all the trigonometric values can be obtained from this simple technique. So please try to understand the idea, practice it, apply it. You can make a change, and trigonometry will be the easiest one for you. Then I'll give you other trigonometric techniques in other video. Thank you.